We are going to demonstrate how students can view and accept their financial aid awards if they have been awarded financial aid. The first step that you will need to do is to go to www.campbell.edu. You will then look to the top right-hand corner of the screen and select Login. Once the different options appear, you will select Self-Service. After selecting Self-Service, you will be prompted to this page. This is where you will use your username and password to sign in. You receive this information in your acceptance package from Campbell University. If you're having any issue signing in, you will need to reach out to the help desk. Their number is 910-893-1208. When you are finished signing in, it will bring you to this page. You will have a few different options for student portals to access. Select the Financial Aid tab at the top right-hand side of the screen. After selecting Financial Aid, it brings you to this page. You will first need to ensure that you are in the correct award year. You will then select Financial Aid at the top of the screen. Financial Aid will provide you with these options. You will need to select My Awards. After selecting My Awards, you will be brought to this page. This page is comprised of all financial aid awards. If you were awarded an academic merit scholarship when accepted to Campbell University, then you will select View Award, then accept that award. To the right of that award states our academic merit scholarship requirements. These requirements show what a student's GPA needs to be in order to remain eligible for that award. If you completed a FAFSA and are eligible for federal loans, they will appear in the loan section below. Students may accept or decline the subsidized and unsubsidized loans as they choose. For further information on understanding the differences between these loans, please go to studentaid.gov, select Understanding Aid, then the loan option. Students who are going to accept either the subsidized loan or the unsubsidized loan are required to complete an entrance counseling and sign a master promissory note before their loan will process. This can be completed at studentaid.gov. Dependent students will have the option for the Federal Parent Plus loan on their account. This is a loan that the parent must apply for separately, but tells them what their eligibility is. For parents that are interested in this loan, please go to studentaid.gov for further information. Students may also come back to their financial aid homepage to view their checklist progress. Prior to being completed, both the direct loan entrance counseling and direct loan master promissory note will have a link that directs them to studentaid.gov. Please reference the Resources tab at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen where you can utilize helpful links.